Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 11.2 chapter 11 mensuration question number 9. First we will read the question. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Regular octagon means all the sides are same measurement. All the lengths are equal. Regular octagon means 8-sided polygon. Regular octagon as shown in the figure. You can see the raised platform. It is a regular octagon. All the sides are 5 meter in length. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Now look at the figure. If I take this portion, these two vertex if I add, then the first portion, say I am taking it to first one, and then this one will be, if I add this one also, this will be this rectangular portion will be the second part, and this trapezium portion will be the third part. So first part will be a trapezium, second part will be a rectangle, and third part will be a trapezium again. Now to find the area of the two trapezium whose measurements are same, so we can find the area of the two trapezium. Solution: area of the two trapezium is equal to 2 into, you know that area of the trapezium is equal to, it is half into sum of the parallel sides into height, half into sum of the parallel sides, that means a plus b, into height, as because two trapeziums are there, so into 2. Now 2 you can cancel, so a plus b means sum of the parallel sides, you know this one is 5 and the length of this one is given 11, it is 5 meter, so 5 plus 11, and height is given here 4 meter. You can see that in this diagram height is already given 4, so 4 into 4 meter square, 5 plus 11 16 into 4 meter square, 64 meter square. Now the area of the two trapezium shaped field, trapezium, that means figure 1 or trapezium 1 and 2, trapezium 1 and 3, area of the two trapezium shaped field, trapezium 1 and trapezium 3. Now next is we have to find the area of the rectangle, also area of the rectangle, you can see that it is 11 and it is 5, length is 11, breadth is 5, length into breadth, that is 11 into 5 meter square or 55 meter square. If you add these two area, means two trapezium shaped field and rectangular field, therefore total area of the octagonal shaped field, therefore the area of the octagonal surface is equal to 64 plus 55 meter square, 109 meter square, 119, 5 4 9 5 and 6 11, 119 meter square, and this is the area of the top surface of the octagonal shaped field. Now question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita this figure is, this diagram is for Jyoti's diagram and this is for Kavita's diagram. To finding the area, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Jyoti has divided in this way and Kavita has divided this area in this way. So find the area of this park using both the ways, Jyoti's ways and Kavita's ways. And can you suggest any other ways for finding this area? We will only find the area by Jyoti's diagram and by Kavita's diagram. The length, breadth and the dimensions are given here. In the first diagram you can see the length of the pentagonal sides, these portions are same 15 meter, base also 15 meter, these two sides are equal and the whole height, complete height is 30 meter. If the complete height is 30 meter, that means up to here it is 30, it is 15 plus 15 because up to here it is 15. So this one must be 15. So we will find first Jyoti's diagram, the area of the pentagonal shaped park by using Jyoti's diagram. Okay, by using Jyoti's diagram, we want to find the area of this figure. So area of this pentagonal shaped figure, the area is equal to we can have marked this 1 A B C D E F. Jyoti's diagram. Jyoti's diagram A B C D E F. Now these two trapezium you can see. One trapezium is A B C D. Another trapezium is A D E F. If I add this area of these two trapezium, we can find the pentagonal shaped park. Now area of the pentagon, we can write that area of trapezium ABCD plus area of trapezium ADEF. So sum of the two parallel sides, therefore area of this one plus area of this one is equal to half ABCD. For ABCD, what we can find out? Now area of trapezium AB, separately we have written area of trapezium ABCD, ABCD. Area of trapezium ABCD, sum of the parallel sides, that means AD plus BC, half AD plus BC into height CD. If this total complete CE is equal to 15 meter, then half of it will be 15. So AD means 30. You can see AD is equal to 30 meter. AD total height 30 and plus BC. BC is also 15. BC, you can see the length of BC 15 and height is 15 again because this 15 by 2, 15 by 2, that is 7.5 plus area of this portion will be same. So half into AD, that is 30 plus EF 15 into D, that is 15 by 2 centimeters meter square. Unit I will write afterwards. Half into 30 plus 40, it will be 45 into 15 by 2 plus half into 45 plus 15 by 2 meter square. The same thing, we can see that these are same thing. So we can this one plus this one, half into, so 2 into half into 45 plus, now half into 30 plus 45 for 30 plus 15 45 into 15 by 2 plus half into 30 plus 15 45 into 15 by 2. Now I am taking common, half is same in the both the portion, half and 45 I am taking as common. So half into 45, then 15 by 2, 15 by 2, 2 15 by 2 means half 15 by 2, 15 by 2 will be 15. So half into 45 into 15 meter square. If you cancel it, you can see that it will be 7.5 and multiply this 7.5 into 45, you will get 337.5 meter square. You can do this rough work, multiplication work in the right side of your sum. So area of Jyoti's diagram will be 337.5. If I divide the pentagonal shape park in this way, then we can find the area of the two trapezium and add, we can get this area. Now in Kavita's way, now the area of the pentagonal shape park by Kavita's diagram, if I draw the perpendicular on B, say it is AM, then you know the height, total height was 30. If it is 15 meter, then this one will be also 15 meter, because total height is 30. Total height was 30, so it was 15, and this one is also 15. The diagram is not perfectly drawn though. So if it is 15, so height and base, you know that this is also 15, this length also 15. So from the previous diagram also you have seen that this one is also 15, the base CD is 15. Now area of Kavita's diagram, area of the pentagon, area of triangle ABE, and area of rectangle BCDE. So area of triangle ABE, half into base means BE, and height here it is AM, plus area of rectangle length into breadth, length is BC into breadth CD. Now half into BE means 15, and AM also 15, plus BC 15 into 15, as it is a square. So on the sides you can see that this is also 15, this is also 15 meter, this is also 15, and this also, so it is a square, so 15 into 15. So what I can see, 1 by 2 into 225 plus 225 meter square 2.5 2 to the 4 1. Then if you add this all, we will see that the total area will be, so total area will be, if we add this to 112.5 plus 225 meter square, we will get that 337.5 meter square. So the area in both the cases will be same. Hence we can conclude that the area of the pentagonal shape park, if you find in Jyoti's diagram, by Jyoti's way and by Kavita's way, both the areas are same. Students, you please practice this all two sums we have done, question number 9 and 10. Practice this. Thank you, students.